So when we talk about maintaining the siding on your home, it really depends on what kind of siding you have. If you have a James Hardy or an LP siding, you can paint that. You don't have to, usually after 20 years, you might want to paint it. Vinyl siding, you can do a soft wash on it. You can power wash. You just want to be careful not to get water up behind that siding. The biggest thing is having your siding properly installed. On a lot of siding, like James Hardy and LP, there is going to be caulk that's used around doors and windows where the siding butts up to it. That caulk, after 15 to 20 years, it will, because of weathering, need to be cut out of there and recaulked. So there is going to be minor maintenance with your James Hardy and your LP, as well as vinyl.